So this is the first time I'm using the vlog camera for our videos, and today we're gonna make a special video because we're going to the Italian market. Love it! Where did we go to, Eric?
Omegna.
Omegna!
Yeah, they look good. Yeah. Yeah, these tomatoes.
Tomatoes are good, right?
Yeah. Yeah, do you know how much it is now? Oh, really? Tutto.
So we also bought some herbs in the market for the herb garden. We bought Piedmont and sage. So yeah. And they're just 160 a plant. It's crazy. Like all houses and lake. What do you think of the market, Eric?
Yeah, it's expensive sometimes, I guess. But yeah, there's a lot of good things, a lot of beautiful products, a lot of Italian men. You call your girlfriend Bella. So, you know, beware. But it's a beautiful view here at Lago di Honda.
Great.
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo.
Verdura amara?
Verdura amara.
Ah, sì. Yeah.
Uno così.
Una.
A posto.
È tutto.
Buongiorno.
We just came back from the market and we bought lettuce, chicory, and I got some sage and fennel and rosemary from the garden. And we also have figs, lemon, tomatoes, and we have the most expensive onions I ever bought, but I hope they are good. They will give a sour flavor to the dish. And I also have burrata. So I'm gonna make 2 salads. So I think we like the food. Did you like it, Eric?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
It was awesome. Thanks, my dear. So you can find the recipe description down below, my loves. Bye bye. Have a good one. Ciao.
Ciao. But hey, one more thing. The only thing is, because you know, I'm not really super enthusiastic, is because Marcella always cooks great. You know, I'm getting used to that.
Oh, is this a love message?
It is, in my kind of way.
Yeah. Oh, and guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want to follow our adventures.
Some more wine?
Yes, thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ciao.
Ciao.